In this video, we are going to see how we can use the direct message option and how we can manage the notifications, how we can find different people that we can message to or receive the messages from. So basically, we will learn about how the inbox works in the TikTok application. So down here in your profile, you will see this inbox here. If you don't see it, you click on the profile and at the bottom right hand corner, you will see that. From here, you will find a couple of users who have interacted with you or whom you have interacted with. And if we want to send any one of them a direct message, we can just click on their profile or the chat and send them the message, or you can send them the sticker and whatever. And just remember that if you want to send message to a random person that is not added in your list or that is not in your friend list, it's not 100% sure that they will receive it because some people have restricted their account for the random persons. So just keep that in mind. But that is how you can manage that. And also, if you want to let your status be seen by public, by friends or no one when you are online or offline, you can change it from this dot at the top, which shows you are online. So that is all you have to do to manage your inbox. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel, and I will see you in the next one.